Did you know one orange tree can give you sweet income for many years if you grow it the right way? Let's uncover the secrets of successful orange cultivation. Today, we are exploring orange farming, from planting to harvesting, simply and clearly. Oranges are not just delicious, they're rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydration. And the best part? Oranges have steady market demand, making them a reliable and profitable fruit crop. Orange plants love tropical to subtropical climates with plenty of sunlight. They grow best in well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 5.5 to 6.5. Too much water? Not good. Waterlogging can cause serious root damage. Always choose healthy grafted saplings from a trusted nursery. Maintain 4 to 5 meter spacing between plants for proper growth. And most importantly, ensure good drainage to keep roots safe. Young plants need regular watering, but mature trees are naturally drought tolerant. Feed your plants with organic compost, nitrogen, and essential micronutrients. Regular pruning improves airflow and leads to better fruit quality. Common problems include aphids, citrus canker, and leaf miners. Neem oil sprays and integrated pest management help control pests naturally without harming the ecosystem. Oranges are usually ready for harvest in 8 to 12 months, depending on the variety. Pick fruits when they're bright, firm, and juicy. Always use the gentle twist and pull method to protect the branches. Orange cultivation is not just farming, it's a long-term partnership with nature. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.